Are you looking for a reliable, affordable, and practical used car to kickstart your journey toward earning money? Whether you're planning to start a ride-sharing business, delivery service, or simply need a dependable vehicle for your side hustle, choosing the right car is crucial. In this video, we've ranked the top 10 best used cars that offer a perfect balance of price, performance, and practicality. These vehicles are not only budget-friendly, but also built to last, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Let's dive into the list and find the perfect car for your money-making goals. Number 1. Toyota Prius, 2010 to 2015. The Toyota Prius is a standout choice for anyone looking to save on fuel costs while earning money. Priced between $8,000 and $12,000, this hybrid sedan offers exceptional fuel efficiency, averaging 50 miles per gallon. Its exterior features a sleek, aerodynamic design, while the interior is surprisingly spacious, with high-quality materials and a user-friendly dashboard. Performance-wise, the Prius delivers a smooth and quiet ride, thanks to its hybrid powertrain. Whether you're driving for ride-sharing or making deliveries, the Prius ensures low operating costs and reliability, making it a top pick for budget-conscious earners. Number 2. Honda Civic, 2012 to 2016. The Honda Civic is a proven favorite for its reliability and affordability. With prices ranging from $9,000 to $14,000, this compact car offers a stylish exterior, a comfortable interior, and impressive fuel economy, averaging 30 to 40 miles per gallon. The interior is well designed, with modern features like a touchscreen infotainment system and ample legroom. Performance-wise, the Civic delivers a responsive and efficient drive, making it ideal for city commuting or long-distance trips. Its low maintenance costs and strong resale value make it a smart choice for anyone starting a money-making venture. Number 3. Toyota Corolla, 2010 to 2017. The Toyota Corolla is a timeless choice for its durability and affordability. Priced between $7,000 and $12,000, this compact sedan boasts a simple yet elegant exterior and a practical interior with comfortable seating and user-friendly controls. The Corolla's fuel efficiency, averaging 30 to 35 miles per gallon, ensures low running costs. Performance-wise, it offers a smooth and reliable ride, perfect for daily commutes or ride-sharing. With its reputation for longevity and low maintenance, the Corolla is a dependable option for anyone looking to earn money on the road. Number 4. Hyundai Elantra, 2013 to 2017. The Hyundai Elantra combines style, affordability, and efficiency, making it a great choice for budget-conscious earners. Priced between $8,000 and $13,000, this compact sedan features a modern exterior design and a well-appointed interior with premium materials and advanced tech features. Fuel efficiency is impressive, averaging 28 to 38 miles per gallon. Performance-wise, the Elantra offers a comfortable and responsive ride, ideal for both city and highway driving. Its low ownership costs and generous warranty make it a reliable option for those starting a money-making journey. Number 5. Honda Fit, 2009 to 2014. The Honda Fit is a versatile and economical choice for anyone looking to maximize their earnings. Priced between $6,000 and $10,000, this subcompact car offers a surprisingly spacious interior with flexible seating configurations and ample cargo space. Its exterior is compact yet stylish, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Fuel efficiency is excellent, averaging 33 to 35 miles per gallon. Performance-wise, the Fit delivers a zippy and agile ride, perfect for urban driving. With its low running costs and practicality, the Fit is a top contender for delivery drivers or ride-sharing entrepreneurs. Number 6. Toyota RAV4, 2010 to 2015. If you need a bit more space and versatility, the Toyota RAV4 is an excellent choice. Priced between $10,000 and $15,000, this compact SUV offers a rugged exterior, a comfortable interior with plenty of cargo space, and advanced safety features. Fuel efficiency is decent, averaging 22 to 28 miles per gallon. Performance-wise, the RAV4 provides a smooth and capable ride, making it ideal for those who need a vehicle for both work and adventure. Its reliability and low maintenance costs make it a solid investment for earning money. Number 7. Ford Transit Connect, 2010 to 2016. For those in the delivery or cargo business, the Ford Transit Connect is a practical and affordable option. Priced between $8,000 and $12,000, this compact van offers a spacious interior with customizable cargo space and a durable exterior design. Fuel efficiency is reasonable, averaging 22 to 25 miles per gallon. Performance-wise, the Transit Connect delivers a smooth and stable ride, even when fully loaded. Its versatility and low operating costs make it a top choice for entrepreneurs in the logistics or delivery industry. Number 8. Nissan NV200, 2013 to 2019. The Nissan NV200 is another excellent option for delivery or cargo services. Priced between $10,000 and $15,000, this compact cargo van offers a spacious and well-organized interior, making it easy to load and unload goods. Its exterior is compact yet functional, ideal for navigating urban areas. Fuel efficiency is decent, averaging 24 to 26 miles per gallon. Performance-wise, the NV200 provides a reliable and efficient ride, perfect for business owners who need a dependable workhorse. Its low maintenance costs and practicality make it a strong contender for earning money. Number 9. Jeep Wrangler, 2012 to 2017. If your money-making venture involves off-road adventures or outdoor activities, the Jeep Wrangler is a fantastic choice. Priced between $15,000 and $20,000, this iconic SUV offers a rugged exterior, a durable interior, and unmatched off-road capabilities. Fuel efficiency is lower, averaging 17 to 21 miles per gallon, but the Wrangler's performance is unbeatable for tackling tough terrains. Its strong resale value and versatility make it a great option for those in the tourism or outdoor recreation business. Number 10. Ford Mustang, 2010 to 2015. For those looking to combine earning potential with style, the Ford Mustang is a unique choice. Priced between $12,000 and $18,000, this iconic muscle car offers a bold exterior, a sporty interior, and thrilling performance. Fuel efficiency is modest, averaging 19 to 25 miles per gallon. But the Mustang's powerful engine and agile handling make it a joy to drive. While it may not be the most practical option, the Mustang is perfect for ride-sharing services targeting premium customers, or for car enthusiasts looking to turn their passion into profit. And there you have it, the top 10 best used cars to start earning money. Each of these vehicles offers a unique combination of affordability, reliability, and practicality, making them ideal for various money-making ventures. Whether you're driving for ride-sharing, delivering goods, or starting a small business, these cars provide the perfect foundation for your success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your earnings with the right tools and strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.